beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a Fashion Nova try on haul. I have been sick for the past like 2 weeks, so if my voice sounds a little different or I sound hoarse, it's because I've been sick. Use my calmer natural voice, because a lot of times I do this and I talk really loud to make up for the fact that my voice is actually very deep. So because I've been sick, it's even deeper, and I'm just trying to be more quiet and calm. So anyway, this is going to be a Fashion Nova try on haul. What is that? Try on haul, and I'm going to do it in the same way I did before, where I have the mirror behind me. Ooh, is that your booty, girl? Ooh. So I'm gonna do it where I have the mirror behind me, kind of just showing a little bit from the back and talking about the items as I'm showing it to you. And yeah, this is going to be a 2-part video. So this is the first part, and I will see you in the second part. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified when I post a new video. I post fashion hauls constantly. A lot of my plus size fashion videos have gone viral, millions of views. I've been in Yahoo Style, the Shade Room, Black China has posted me, so I've been in a lot of places. So if you recognize me from somewhere, it's probably one of those. Fashion Nova has posted me and stuff like that. So I hope that you like the video. I hope you stick around if you're new, and if you're not new and if you've been here before, thank you so much for continuing to support me. I can't believe we are over 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. So before I keep going, let's get into the video. So this dress here is an interesting dress. I really do like the shape here. I love the shape of the dress, how it's open here and kind of shows the neck and shoulders. For me personally, that's one of my favorite areas to show off, because it's more of like my thinner area, you know, the neck, and this area here is just more sexy, and I love, it's very feminine. I love the feeling of like my shoulders showing and stuff like that. It's just very feminine. I also love the sleeve length, because I love when it's just covering up to here and then your fingers show and your nails show, your rings show. I also think that's very feminine, and for plus size girls, I know that it's like more comfortable for us sometimes to have long sleeves and then show the areas that we feel look thinner. My only problem with it is the way it clings to my belly. I think the material, it just, I don't feel comfortable with just these extreme lines here. It just really makes your belly look so out there, and the material just really sticks to you. It's just, it's not for me. Overall, I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's comfortable. I think it makes a really nice kind of go-to simple spring outfit with like a jean jacket with sneakers. But the whole material, how it clings to my belly, is just, it's not my favorite thing. I wish it had like maybe a little peplum or something that kind of covered that area. But if you don't have a belly, lucky you. You probably won't have that problem. Also, you do have to wear a strapless bra, because if you're wearing a regular bra, your straps are gonna show with this. Although this color bra kind of works like that. Kind of gives me like Sarah Jessica Parker Carrie vibes in Sex and the City. She used to show her bra straps, and it was like a fashion thing for her. So I don't know, kind of works with this color. But overall, you would have to wear a strapless bra. But I mean, it's comfortable, it's cute. I do like the color. It's giving me fall vibes. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Alright, so I just left the dress on underneath this, because clearly this is just the top, but it actually kind of looks cute if this was a skirt. here is just a little, I wouldn't even consider it a crop top. It's more like a bra, like a bra with long sleeves. So I am wearing a bra, and then I have it tied right here, and it's so cute. It has these trumpet sleeves that start at the elbow. Really cute. Again, super feminine, super cute. I really like, unless you're wearing like a really high waist skirt with like a peplum for the summer, that would be so cute. I would wear it like that if I was on vacation with like really high waist skirt or high waist like pants that had some type of peplum or something to cover my belly, just so I feel more comfortable, just to give you guys ideas how to wear crop tops and stuff, because I know that's like a question that a lot of you guys ask. But overall, I really love this. I love the flower print. The color matches my eyeshadow today. Really love the color. Love how it looks. I love anything that ties in the center here. I think that is so feminine, so pretty, so girly. It is not a stretchy material at all. This is just a regular kind of thin, no stretch polyester. I mean, it has a slight stretch, but this is not really the kind of thing you need much stretch in. There is a lot of space that covers the chest area. It definitely runs like a true plus size garment. Really love this. I mean, you can't say bad things about it. It's so pretty. Look at that. I definitely feel very Latina, like I'm ready to dance on the beach. So this next piece, again, is just really simple, really cute. It's just a top. Now this is, to me, kind of like a cropped t-shirt, because you see how, I mean, this is my belly and then these are my hips. So it's definitely not a long t-shirt that comes kind of all the way down here. It definitely has more of that cropped vibe, where you could just kind of do one of these and give it a little tie action for the summer. Really cute. And it's really comfortable. Nice stretchy material, just as honey. Really self-explanatory. It says honey. It's yellow to be like honey. Get it? And yeah, really cute, simple, self-explanatory little t-shirt. Really cute. So this next piece is definitely not for the faint of heart. I don't know. I mean, it could be me. Maybe I'm too big for it. Well, clearly I'm too big for this dress I'm wearing, but maybe the style. I just don't know who this is meant for, because it is extremely short. I mean, like literally my butt is hanging out of it. So I'm a little like, who's wearing this? I feel like it just runs all too small. Like this exact dress would probably work on someone who's maybe a size 14 as a dress. For me, it is just way too short. Maybe I'm just not daring enough, but no, girl, it's too short. But it's so cute. It's really stretchy. I love the style of it. If it was longer, it'd be a go. This is too short. Maybe as a top, it would make a really cute look. I was pulling it up. When I stopped like where it looks like a skirt, it is so cute as a skirt. So that would have been a really cute option as well. But for me, it's just too short. Love the color. Love the color. Love the cut. It's stretchy. I love the ruffles at the bottom. It's super cute. But it's just too short for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved the video. I hope you subscribe. Hope you stay glam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. Everything is down below. I love you so much. And don't forget to stay glam. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.